Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2023 brand new floor plan from Grand Design. It's the 235BH. Single slide out with the bunks you see here in the slide. Murphy bed up front. Let's get started. Take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slide in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new floor plan on, so be the first one to see new floor plan like this, new layouts, new decors, so make sure you hit that bell. Check down in the description. I have all your specs, holding tank sizes, and measurements. Remember, if you're coming to the lot to see this or any other floor plan here in Yorktown, make sure you ask for Scott. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, RV. All right, standing at the entry door looking in, you see your one slide out. You got those bunks, your dinette, rear bathroom, tons of countertop space. Standing back, looking forward. Got your Murphy bed up front. That's where we'll start. Nice comfortable sofa. Drawers underneath. Got storage on either side. You see you got the blackout shades, receptacles and charging areas, hanging storage on both sides. Got drawers. Your Murphy bed, you got one latch. You got flip down sofa. So it's as easy as that, dropping that down. Your platform drops along with the mattress. You got a nice solid mattress there. Murphy bed set up. Plenty of room to get through. Slide still does come in with it down. You do have a light, soft touch headboard, some overhead storage. You got built-in speakers, ducted AC. Staying close here, you've got your fuse panel, more storage here. No heat ducts in the floor, so you got them built in right there in the wall. Your convenience area when you walk in, control your slide, your awning, check your holding tanks. You've got your Furrion stereo, which has HDMI and USB hookups. TV is on a swivel arm, so you can see it from all over. Makes it easy to get to all those hookups. It is the Roku Smart TV. Again, lights underneath, large stainless steel sink, good storage, spot for a trash can, deep drawers, glass front cabinets. Your 3-burner range has got the flush mount cover, LED lights, nice pots and pans drawer, so good looking kitchen here. Microwave, again, that exhaust outside. Got a roof vent. Your dinette, nice 4-seater. We'll take a look at that, made into a bed. All right, there's your dinette in the down position. Very easy setup and breakdown. Utilize that Velcro. Again, you got reversible cushions. You can have fabric up or down. It's your preference. Table best rides in this position, so there's no chance of it bouncing out or moving, but very thick, substantial table with the supports. You're never going to have this thing bow or any issues with the table, so nice thick base and tabletop. So you got storage, receptacles, large window lets in a lot of light. Windows do open. Now, unique setup here, your bunks. You got a bunk here up top. Folds up and locks out of the way. Bunk on the bottom. You got charging areas. Each bed has got its own curtain, so good privacy. Got windows with shades, and the spring-loaded latch here makes it nice to be able to just drop that. So tons of sleeping, nice small floor plan. I'm sure it's going to be a very popular floor plan already for us. 12-volt refrigerator freezer. Thermostat. You got a solid door that closes off the bathroom. Good sized bathroom for bunk model. As you can see, shower. I go right up into the skylight, so I touch there. But you got the retractable shower door. Reduces spills. It is a little touchy, so if you want to put your own shower curtain rings, you can. You've got medicine cabinet, little cubby holes, deep storage throughout, exhaust fan, and you got nice room around the toilet and down low storage as well. Heat duct, AC ducts. So very popular. Been requesting this floor plan, so as soon as we got it in, want to get this video out to you guys. Brand new 2023 Grand Design Transcend Explorer 235BH. We'll work our way outside. On the way out, I'll show you how easy folding that Murphy bed is up. If you want to check down in the description, I got links to probably 4 or 5 other Murphy beds. If you want to compare comfort and ease of use, check down at that. We're heading on out. All right, moving to the outside, Transcend logo, model number on the front, tongue jack with the LED light, 2 20-pound LP bottles. You got a spot for 2 batteries. It will come with 1 and a box. Nice rock guard here. Pass-through storage, boom, with the motion sensor lighting. Nice clean storage. Your solar controller, battery tender, water hookup, battery disconnect. You can feed everything right here through the bottom so you can keep this door shut. One nice feature on this door, there's 3 latches, a key and 2 thumb latches. That keeps a secure seal at all times if you don't have your key. A lot of places just have one. Over time, this door will warp. So keeping both locked at the same time, longevity of the door, keeps a better seal, keeps it from leaking. Magnet holds the door up. 235BH is a dry weight of 5,950 pounds. Transcend logo. Moving around the back side, we are looking at a 30 amp service. Your sewer connection, nice, easily accessible pull valves. Manual stabilizer jacks. Check down in the description. I have a link to those. Bumper holds your spare tire. You got storage inside that. Black tank flush. And then you got a quick connect here for an outside shower. It does come with the hose. And that will reach your outside kitchen, which we'll get to in a minute. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, you see the solar panel, TV antennas, skylight roof vent, your AC, another skylight. You are prepped for a backup camera. Outside kitchen, you got a little cover, and the awning does cover it, so full length power awning. But you got electric fridge, you got a 2-burner range, receptacle inside, you got some storage, and you got your quick connect for your LP. Back side of your furnace, exhaust for your range, you got outside speakers, and you do have a cable hookup. Your tires, we are looking at 15-inch tires. Back side of your hot water heater, got aluminum, nice and easy to use steps. Large assist handle. Other side of your pass-through storage, here's that quick connect hose. Your power cord, your crank for your jacks. You do have the connection here for a flagpole. So I'll take a quick look at that and show you what we're talking about there. It is included. Put your favorite pole on there and represent at the campground. All right, there's your mount. Here is the flagpole. Locks right there in place. Keeps the flag off the side of the camper, but just a nice little feature. mounted into the frame, so you don't have to worry about putting your own screws in there or anything like that. So nice setup there. Grand Design gives you your brand new, very new 2023 Grand Design Transcend Explorer 235BH. Remember, if you're heading out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. Thanks for watching. All right, as promised, with the slides in, you got access to walk front to back. No issues getting in the refrigerator, freezer, and you can still get in the bathroom. So it covers about, a third of it, but you can still get in and out, no issues.